So another delay in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial, and this time to next month. In his application for further postponement, Advocate Charles Mnisi again reiterated that the work he needed to go through was voluminous. That during the course of his consultation with Sibiya, he established that he required further particulars from the state, and that he still does not have the court transcripts from January 2025.
The final decision was that the matter will have to be proceeded with on the 22nd of April 2025, and that accused number one will have to intercede in the circumstances if I would still not be prepared. Paragraph number 12. The cause of my preparation of the matter does not only involve reading, it also involves analysis, constructing and comparing, formulation of issues and arguments, research of applicable and relevant authorities from the legal literature. The list is exhaustive. Paragraph 13. Furthermore, the cause of my preparation in reading the record is also characterized by the fact that the record itself keeps on referring to other parts of the records which would have been previously dealt with, and to refresh my memory and to confirm those parts of the evidence being referred to, I am compelled to go back to those parts of the evidence on record being referred to. Paragraph 14. Similarly, the record will refer to some exhibits which would have been dealt with in other parts of the record, and again to confirm and to refresh my memory on those aspects being referred to, I am compelled to have regard and revisit those exhibits being referred to. For instance, I am reading the proceedings of the 24th of October 2024, and the evidence referred to as an exhibit on the proceedings of the 23rd of January 2024. I would have to go and revisit that aspect of the evidence. These are some of the aspects which make my preparations tedious. Paragraph number 15. Having spent 2 days at Morabi Correctional Facility consulting with Mr. Sibiya, a number of issues came up which necessitate further follow-ups which do not form part of the record of the transcripts, and thus the preparations are not necessarily limited to the record. The suggested period of 2 months within which I was expected to finalize my preparations does not factor in these extraterrestrial issues. Paragraph number 16. It also emerged from the consultation that we'll have to request further information from the state, which is central to accused number one's case and to my preparations, even before I can start to cross-examine the current state witness. These are all the aspects which I intended to bring to the attention of the court had I been afforded the opportunity to do so.
Well, the state did not oppose the motion, but the question remained.
Sir, are you prepared to tell me when do you think you'll be ready?
Yes, my lord.
When?
I would request an indulgence, my lord.
When do you think you will be ready? The indulgence is about you being not ready, as I take it.
Yes, my lord.
So when do you think you'll be ready?
Around the 19th of May, you can come back. And the reason why I'm saying this, my lord, it's because the field that I've already traveled, it's more greater than the field that I yet have to travel.
After Judge Ratha Mokgoatlheng returned, the parties agreed that Mnisi report back on the 5th of May on how far he has gone in his preparation.
When do you think you'll be ready, Mr. Mnisi? You say we must postpone to the 19th of May.
That's the 19th of May.
And what will happen on the 19th of May?
We'll be proceeding.
Proceeding?
Yes.
Okay.
There is, however, a suggestion that I should come on the 5th of May. On the 5th of May, just to come and indicate to the court how far am I, my lord.
So you want us to postpone to the 5th of May, in other words?
But official proceedings will now resume on May the 19th. Lewis, SABC News at the High Court in Pretoria.